Hey guys, this is our cell organelle project. This is our third time taking it.
And we're just going to be explaining all the organelles in here and like the definitions of them and what they all do. So first you have the cell membrane, and that is right here. It's in both the plant and the animal cell, and it controls substance movements in and out of the organelles.
Next is the nucleus, and the nucleus is basically this whole big area right in here. And it's the most important part of the cell because it controls everything. So
Then you have the nucleolus. Its main job or function is to rewrite ribosomal RNA and phase it with proteins, and that is in both too. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it.
Yep. Next are lysosomes, and they are in the animal cell only. And the lysosomes break down larger food into smaller molecules, and right there is a lysosome.
Then next you got the ribosomes, and the ribosomes are right here. They're just little dots. They're in both. And ribosomes are like power plants, but instead of making energy, they make proteins. And ribosomes can take place floating in the cytoplasm or partially phased to the ectoplasmic reticulum.
Yes, you finally got to that. All right. So about the endoplasmic reticulum, and right there it is. And they are tubular membranes in the cytoplasm, and they are involved with the transportation of materials in cells. It will either have a smooth surface, which would be a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or it will have ribosomes attached to it, which would be a rough endoplasmic reticulum. And this is an example of a rough endoplasmic reticulum.
It's also in this one too. And then you got the cytoplasm, and that is in both, and it is right here. It covers up a lot of the cell, and it is a fluid with resemblance to jelly, and it fills the cell. It is made almost entirely of water and salt. It holds and contains organelles and cell pieces, and crystal is a part of the
Cytosol.
Cytosol is part of the cytoplasm that does not contain any organelles at all.
Next, we have the Golgi apparatus, which is right there. And the Golgi apparatus stores proteins for specific functions and gets them ready to be transported to other parts in the cells.
And next you have the mitochondria, whatever he likes to say. And that is right here. That is in both. And they produce the energy currency of the cell throughout respiration to regulate cellular metabolism.
Okay, next are vacuoles, which I do not have on mine, when it would actually be in an animal cell. And there you are.
Yeah, they're in both. They're just larger in the plant
So
cell.
vacuoles are enclosed compartments that store food, water, toxic waste, or any type of nutrients that the cell might need to survive.
And then you have the chloroplast, and that is in the plant cell only. It is right there. And the chloroplast gets energy from the sun in a process called photosynthesis. Okay, whatever. And make oxygen and sugar from it. So it basically takes energy from the sun and turns it into oxygen and sugar.
Next is the cell wall, which is in the plant cell only. So if you may please hold that up.
Right there, it's like what gives the plant its shape.
And the cell wall basically supports and protects the cell and gives it its shape, as she said.
And that is all the organelles we have. And so I hope you enjoyed.
One more time, we'll hold
That
them
is
up.
our definitions and functions of all the organelles in the cell.
Great. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we won't have to do this again. But thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and see ya.